Sige pa yun ang papila. Basta ba may the pork. Okay. Para kawan eh. Balis kayo. Come on eh. Pasta.
Or something.
Pasta na lang. Wait on.
Something like. Salad. Salad.
Fuck you. Utang ina mo.
Already.
Kuri pa buhol para salad niya.
Suman sisig.
Oo.
So ayaw na. Sisig. Ayaw na lang dito siya kawali.
Lechon kawali or sisig?
Pag-uwi nila dito.
Kuan.
Pili.
Sisig na lang para laro lang. Dito yung kawali. Hindi siya kaya
Chung kawali na lang.
yung kawali.
Ano parang sayaw mo?
O yung...
Dito kayo nakita.
Ano to? Kalag ang... ano to? Pork back ribs. Tapos lechon kawali.
So, hinulat na pili kayo, direct na ako pag-decide. But, as long as may report nga menu, I'm okay with it. Nagbamot ka.
Tapos
It's just the way.
tutupas na dito.
Gusto ko pili mo.
Ano yung bowl? Ano yung bowl? Ano yung
Beach Club, BBC.
BBC, I don't know what that means.
Bohol Beach Club.
Bowl Beach Club? Bowl Beach
Bohol.
Bohol Beach Club, yeah.
Bohol.
So, let me check
Ano nimo?
kung na ito mapa. Because I don't really track where I'm currently.
Or buffalo cheese sticks.
Ano? What are the cheese in
What are you doing?
Still loading.
Cheese sticks or local water
Here's what
buffalo.
you want, sige. Instead of...
Tapos rice. 1 cup rice and then water lang.
Sure mo na kung makarauter ang pilat ka lang.
Steamed rice lang. Ikaw, ano ba?
Malagpo.
Masyadong matagal. Hindi kami panglaw.
Wait lang.
Agotata. Bohol Beach Club. Bohol Beach Club in Panax. Hindi kami nga dito.
Good for how many people?
Yung may smiley sir, mas really good for two, yung wala, common.
Hindi panglaw.
Feel ko talaga bagat.
Good for one. So, does it come with rice or no?
Yung iba mo, wala, yung may rice niya ma'am, pwedeng mashed potato,
So
pwedeng
popular.
i-convert into
Rice?
rice mo. Marinated chicken teriyaki, may rice yan.
So, for example, for 1 cup rice.
May mashed potato yan ma'am. Yes ma'am, tapos pwede siyang i-rice or kung ayaw nyo ng mashed potato. Pero yung iba ma'am, wala ng rice yan.
Okay, what if we get
Really, really
makili
good.
kita each main course, tapos one either salad or vegetables. So, yun na
I'm
lang.
currently 21 kilos right now, but I'm going to lose more.
Pork back ribs.